The growing security presence is an increasing sore spot. Young Uyghur men are subject to long, random searches. And then there is religion. The state has been distributing anti-extremist propaganda around the region.
So now we're being told that in July, almost every house in this town has gotten this poster warning them to stay away from the terrorists.
What the government warns is that these are the telltale signs of extremism. They claim that extremists tell women to cover their entire face just to prove that they are true Muslims. If someone tells you that joining jihad will give you access to heaven, then that person is an extremist and should be reported to the authorities. However, even more moderate Islamic expressions of faith are being curtailed. It is illegal for men under 60 to grow beards. Headscarves for women are discouraged. Islam cannot be taught at schools, and men under 18 cannot pray at mosques.